Hello, pulpits. It's just me right now. I got the old boss over there working. So welcome to Quarantine Coping, number 25-ish. If I'm wrong, I will fix all the numbers once I upload them. But we're pretty current. Hope your day's going well. We get online every single day. This is our 25th day in a row, almost a month. Hey, Tana. And this is just quarantine coping. We're going to show you a little bit of planting, but also a little money saver tip that makes life a lot easier. And it's about... What?
If you have this kind of garden anyway.
Well, if you lay plastic and you want to not spend $45 to $100.
More than that.
More than that. If you don't want to spend $5 million.
300.
300?
Yeah. 200 to 300.
Well, then I'm just going to invent this. Well,
You already did.
well, I'm going to share it with everybody. So.
Okay.
All right. So quarantine coping, we basically try to educate, entertain, and maybe a little humor here and there. For the humor part today, I'm going for the Jay Leno hair. Right? Wow, look at that. Fix that. What are you doing, man? I haven't had a haircut since like 1998, but, well, that's sexy.
It's better.
And Lisa's going for the Colgate white teeth
Yes.
commercial. Whatever that.
It's a beautiful day. It's been outside. We've been outside all day today.
We got, dogs have been outside. Everybody's been outside. Hey, Oren, Jake.
And Snickerdoodle's been outside.
Snickerdoodle has been eating like a champ. He is walking, running, jogging.
By the way, if you know the song Mary Had a Little Lamb and you've never paid attention to it, the part where it says he followed her everywhere she went, he does.
Yeah, he's following. Yeah, Lamb is. He's awesome. He's actually sleeping and waiting for us to eat. Yeah.
She's ready for dinner, but
Ready for dinner. He's been a little porker. Hey, Kanisa. So I'm going to show you, Lisa's going to show you how we plant a couple, what are we doing? Cabbage. So, and then I will show you a little cheap, hey, Jake.
Hi, Jake.
I mean, it's so simple. It's stupid. I can't believe I thought of it. So this is cool. Well, when the wife says, I want to burn hole in plastic and it's got to be symmetrical and it's about $300, I went,
well, so before I was just taking a little knife and cutting an X in the plastic, and it works, but it's it's kind of hard. It doesn't work very well.
yeah, a bicycle works, but a car's easier, right?
Yeah.
What face was that? Let's try to. All right, so I'm going to stop making faces and go screen. Hey, I didn't hit finish. Romeo's here to help. So we have our cabbage starts.
We started in the greenhouse.
We started in the greenhouse, a little baby seed, and now look at them.
They're beautiful.
Can we pull my glove off? There we go. All right. You're up, Ma.
Europe.
You're up.
Yeah. So we seed blocked these. I just watered them. They're a little moist.
So remember early on we showed you how we made these blocks.
And so we burned these, and they just go right in the soil.
Wait now, I want to see the little baby hole. You dug a little baby hole?
Yeah,
How'd you get that hole?
I have a
This is a very expensive wooden
very technical
dowel.
That's all.
Okay, that's it.
And
Well,
then
scared Romeo.
those roots. So he just goes right in the hole, and we cover him back up.
I had a flashback to, is it Happy Gilmore? Come on, Bull. Fine, get in the hole.
There we go. Train.
You can't say train when we're doing a live video.
I can. Every train counts.
Thumbs up if you think Lisa should count the train. Nope, nobody's giving thumbs up or likes or hearts or anything, so there.
Okay. So there. Two down. Now
Two
let's
down.
put it in the burner.
Now all we have to do is the rest of that one, which is 107 feet. All right.
And then turn on the water.
And then turn on the... Well, I can't, but...
Well, not right now. Sorry, that was my hand in the way.
where's my glove that you took off?
Right there behind you.
All right, so how do you get this beautiful, perfect hole? Like Lisa said earlier, you can buy a tool that is really, really expensive. But what I thought of is a cheap, probably in the sun here,
Aluminum can.
aluminum can and a torch. And who doesn't like a torch? I do. And I've placed a little bit of dirt for the measuring. You can measure it and spot it however you want. But here's how you make a $300 item for about $1. I just heat up this, just the edge. Always wear a leather glove because it gets hot.
Beautiful.
Huh?
Do another one.
Oh, another one, she says.
Can you do two without reheating it? I bet it's hot enough. Yep.
Almost.
Looks
Can
like
do two without reheating it.
Nice.
It's like magic. Almost two. Don't reach in front of the flame. I'll just heat up this section of it.
There you go.
All right, one more because it is kind of fun to watch. And it's fun to do.
Marvelous.
Train.
That's the same one.
It shouldn't be.
Well, it is.
So, make sure that you let this cool before you grab it again.
Yes.
Or make sure you just keep your leather glove on.
I'm gonna plant some more. So
Oh, you're gonna
take
plant
this?
some more?
Yeah.
She's being a video hog. Hey, Holly, Christy. So literally, this is like $10. That's about, I mean, find something that nobody likes for like 49 cents. You just,
Or just empty out a can.
or just empty out a
Whatever
can.
you eat.
We had to steal this from my dad because why? We don't have any food that is in a can ever. Can or a box, we don't eat it. Well, occasionally we have microwave popcorn, but we actually have organic corn that we are going to pop and put our own little stuff on it. You need to be over here?
Well, right here.
Okay. Now, how far do you have to push that down?
Not too far. Just get it set in there so it's secure.
Have it covered?
Not topping out. Easy peasy.
Ow, ow! No, it's not hot. Just kidding. It cools quickly. So there you have it.
And just in case you're wondering,
Yeah.
we have this grate on here because the wind was so ridiculous yesterday. It was threatening to tear up our plastic.
Yeah, we had 50-mile-an-hour gusts. So even though this is buried, the machine that lays this plastic, it buries it and all that, but the wind just tore it up. So we just laid out these hog panels, cow panels, whatever you want to call them. And these are actually, the panels are going to be formed in a teepee, and that's going to support all of our tomatoes and peas and cucumbers, right? And never let your dog play with a torch. So this is what we had to do yesterday. We only did one row in this. This is all cabbage, but we had to put rocks by every single one to protect it. So we will get, how far are we going on this for cabbage? She says this particular variety, Golden Acre.
We have about 60 starts in that county.
60.
Not quite.
Really?
Yeah, so as far as we go until we run out.
I hope a lot of people like cabbage. So there you have it. What a gorgeous day it is.
Oh, so much nicer today.
Oh, yesterday was a bear. because it about tore up our garden and it wasn't good.
That doesn't make us happy.
It sucks. Wind blows. I do that all the time. The other big fun stuff that we're doing, and by we I mean my brother, my workbench in my in the garage, i.e., kind of a shop. Man, it's coming along, so I'll actually have a place to work and put my tools. How many times do I say, do you know where the...
Well, it only works if you put your stuff away.
Okay, we don't want to hear that anymore. But here's the win of the day. And this is going to sound so minor, but this is the win. Actually, the win of the month right here. We have this microwave. And when it's done, it beeps 3 times. And it's not a beep, beep, beep. It's
really obnoxious.
Kind of, that's really obnoxious. 3 times, and we can never shut it off. It doesn't have that option. So we might have accidentally went into the circuit board and removed the speaker, and now it is so quiet.
It's beautiful.
So you got to appreciate the little things, right?
We had to pull out the microwave anyway because the vent was sort of but not really hooked up to where it vents to the outside.
Yeah, he fixed that too. That was awesome.
As whenever we turned on the fan in the kitchen, it would blow everything right back into the kitchen.
Oren says 14 inches of snow.
Oh, geez.
Reason number 412 not to be in Colorado.
Yeah.
Ew. I mean, I guess marijuana's free if you're into that.
Colorado is beautiful.
Oh, sure.
I don't know if I could do
It's even more beautiful since Owie moved there with his family.
Right.
Let's do a close-up. All right, so there you have it. You have an update. We'll have to do an update on our flooring. It's totally different. You won't even recognize it in our house.
There's so much going on.
There's way too much going on. What is the deal? Every night we'll be here 6:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time.
Maybe tomorrow night we'll check on the duckies.
Oh, we'll give you a duck update.
Yeah.
Duck update. And Snicker.
Snickerdoodle.
Yeah, Snickerdoodle. He's on the couch sleeping, but we'll have to have him in the next video. He comes in our house like a dog, and I say that like we don't have control of that.
He's been sleeping in the house, so he's used to being in there. This morning he got me up at 7. I fed him, took him outside, he went to the bathroom, and then we came back in, and he cuddled up on the dog bed. And so I laid down next to him on the dog bed, and we both fell back asleep.
I came out, and I'm like, I mean, we have a lot of land, right? But I couldn't locate my wife to help with my hair. And I had to text her. I said, where are you at? And she didn't reply. And I'm like, what? And she was laying in the living room, dog bed. Asleep. And I looked down, and there she was with the baby lamb. It's getting,
he likes me.
It's a lot out of control. Hey, Ken. So anyway, tomorrow we will be back 6:30 Mountain Standard Time. Until tomorrow, enjoy your rest of your evening. Have fun with the small things in life, like a microwave buzzer. And enjoy your night.
Happy Thursday.
God bless.